Hi, hello. Welcome to MBA Solutions. I am Manjunath, working as an assistant professor at VVC Mysuru. In this video, let us discuss the difference between doctrine of intravirus and ultravirus. Before going into the video, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive more notifications. Now let us see what is the difference between the doctrine of intravirus and ultravirus. So doctrine talks about a concept, a theory and principle. So doctrine is a theory or a concept. So intravirus talks about beyond the power or limit. Ultravirus is nothing but beyond the power or limitation. Intravirus talks about within the power or limitation. So now to understand this in detail, let us see how companies work. So initially we will have Companies Act. So based on Companies Act, we will make the fundamental document, that is MOA, which is the supreme document of any organization or any company. Then to take care of the internal affairs, we will prepare, or the companies will prepare, articles of association, and directors who manage the organizations or who manage the contract relationship with the organization with the internal and external world, they have to follow all these three. Now to understand memorandum and article of association, please go to the videos which I have already uploaded. Now let us understand intravirus first. See, intravirus says or directors have to follow articles of association. They have to follow memorandum of association as well. Keeping Companies Act in mind, memorandum of association has to be framed. Keeping Companies Act and memorandum of association, articles or the bylaw of the organization has to be framed. And directors have to follow all this when they are doing any transaction or when they are doing business. Now, directors have to follow articles of association. If they don't follow the rules and regulation which is framed in article of association, then we call that intravirus. For example, directors can take a loan up to 3 lakhs. So this is what the company's article of association says. So directors can take a loan up to 3 lakhs. Now director want to take 5 lakhs loan, which article is not allowing them to take. Because to improve the business, because to go further in the business, improve the shareholders' wealth, they want more money to invest. So they want to take 5 lakhs, but article is restricting them to 3 lakhs. Now what directors will do? Directors will take 5 lakhs loan, then it is intravirus because they are going beyond that particular limitation. But what happens now in intravirus, you can go back to all the members of the organization and you can modify article. You can say, go back to the organization and say, see, it was 3 lakhs, it has mentioned 3 lakhs in articles, but we want 5 lakhs to improve the organizational business. So now by passing a special resolution, you can or directors can change the articles of association. So this is called intravirus. So they went beyond the power, but it can be bought within the limitations. That is why we call within the limitation or within the power. Even though you don't follow certain rules in articles of association, if those violation is for the development or growth of the organization, then you can come back again, talk to the members of the organization or the company and pass a special resolution, and then that particular violation of article becomes valid. So now you have taken 5 lakhs loan, but article is telling you to take only 3 lakhs loan. Come back, pass a special resolution saying that if we take 5 lakhs, it will help the organization to grow. In special resolution, 3/4 of the members should approve your decision. Once they approve, it becomes the special resolution. Now that resolution or that particular decision will be mentioned in article of association. So any violation of article of association, if it is for the benefit of the organization, it can be passed through special resolution, and article is always retrospective in nature. where you can think about the future and change certain set of rules and regulations. So that option is available, and you can change article of association only with one special resolution. But whereas in memorandum of association, for example, you want to change the name of the company, object of the company, convert company into a private limited to public limited, in those cases, it comes under memorandum of association, and this is the foundation of your organization. Then you have to pass special resolution, take permission from central government, or take permission from tribunal in different cases, and then you have to change memorandum of association. That you cannot do. For example, if Hero Honda is doing a sales and manufacturing of bikes, that is the object of this particular organization. Now they want to fund or give finance to other organizations. So now they want to do a finance business. When they want to do a finance business, and if they involve themselves in finance business, which is not their business according to their memorandum of association, they are going beyond the power, beyond the limitation. So you cannot go beyond MOA or memorandum. So now Hero Honda cannot do a finance lending business. They can just sell and manufacture bikes. So this is beyond the power. This is called ultra vires. And when you want to change memorandum, it is not so easy. It is very tough to change memorandum of association. Article of association you can change with a special resolution, but memorandum you cannot change, because it is based on what you are going in future. It is not retrospective in nature, it is perspective in nature. So you cannot change memorandum of association. It is like the foundation. For example, in a building, foundation plays a major role. If you want to change the wall, remove doors, remove windows, it is very easy. All these walls, doors, windows are articles of association. You take the permission of the owner of the house and you can alter it. But you cannot alter the foundation. If you want to alter, you have to demolish the whole building. So altering foundation is not so easy. So that is why memorandum alteration is difficult, and anything which you do which is not mentioned in memorandum of association is ultra vires, and ultra vires is always void. Intra vires can be made valid by special resolution, but ultra vires is always void. Thank you for watching the video.